Hello, Wednesday on the 15th April 2026. Welcome to the Daily Migrants Update. Back here from Gambia to Spain. Currently, right now, there are multiple migrant boats from Gambia on the way to Canary Island, Spain. But now it's more than 2 weeks. There is no news about them. Several relatives have reported that their people take this journey from several locations in the Gambia, bound for Canary Island. Some of them have now been on the road for 15 days, 16 days, 17 days on counting, and still there's no news of them. And this migrant boat you are working right now is one of them that took off from Khartoum. At the time they were loading the boat, that's what you are working right now. And another boat is from Khartoum, another one is from Nyomilamen. And relatives have also reported that there's another boat from Bantanto, also on the way going. All these migrant boats have been now in the sea for more than 2 weeks, and still there's no news of them. We will be closely monitoring their situation, and if there's any update about their situation, we'll bring it to you right here. We move to Spain itself. Spanish government on Tuesday finalized its plan for an amnesty measure that could pave the way for hundreds of thousands of unauthorized migrants to apply for legal temporary residence permit. Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez's government first announced the plan early this year. The policy, enacted via royal decree and not through parliament, stands in contrast to several other European governments seeking to reduce or prevent irregular migration or migration more generally. The amnesty will only apply to people who can demonstrate they arrived in Spain before on the 1st January 2026. Before the plan made public in a bid not to encourage a rush to Spain after the announcement was made. Irregular migrants will be permitted to claim a 1-year temporary residence permit, provided they can prove 5 months residency and demonstrate that they do not have a criminal record in Spain or elsewhere. After this period, they will be eligible to apply for longer term work and residency permits. Spain's government advocates the plan both because of the importance of migration and overall economic growth, and because it should enable irregular migrants to seek official tax employment and therefore reduce the size of untaxed shadow economy. Migration Minister said migrants could apply in person starting from April 20, 2026, and they can start applying online on this Thursday, 16 April 2026. The window will close on June 30, 2026. This is all we have for now, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching.